How to download Discord on your desktop. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily download Discord application on your PC or laptop. So let's get started. So it's a quite simple process. So first thing, just head over to your browser and simply searching for Discord download and just tap on this first link, which is the official link of the discord.com. And once you're inside here, you can just scroll down and click on download for Windows if you're using on Windows. So since most of the users are Windows, simply tap on this download for Windows just like this, and once you download it, you can see it will be automatically downloaded. Now to install it, you just have to wait for a few seconds for the setup.exe file to download successfully. So once it successfully downloads, just double tap on that setup.exe file and simply run it. And just like that, it should be automatically installed on your device after some time. So you just have to wait for a few seconds, and you can simply open this Discord application from over here by simply heading over to your search bar and simply searching for Discord as well. So that's how we do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.